Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Purya and in today's video I'm going to talk about .inmanta files. I'm inside a folder which has a pretty basic project inside of it, and in this main file I'm having just a print statement which is like this. When I compile this project, it prints out howdy.inmanta. In fact, let's do that. Inmanta compile. Here we go. So what if I want to export this to the server? Let's see what happens. Export. It errors out. It is asking for an environment ID, but in fact, I need to provide a server IP address and a port as well if I'm using a non-standard port. So ultimately, that command will look like something like this, which is kind of long and hard to work with. And if you're managing multiple environments, it's kind of difficult to get all these environment IDs and work with them. So inside each project, we can create this .inmanta file and have these values encoded or hard-coded in them. First of all, I'm having a clean slate server. Let me just create a project and then an environment, and then we create that .inmanta file. So Inmanta CLI project create tag and my project. This is my project, so my colleagues are not going to touch it. Here we go. Now let's create an environment. Environment, create, we give it a name. Let's go with Purya. And in the end, I'm specifying a tag S flag. This says go ahead and save it. Save it in a .inmanta file. Let's do that. Here we go. Now if I show the content of this directory, we see this .inmanta file. Let's check it out in my VS Code. Refresh. Here we go. This is the content of the file. We are having the environment ID, the server IP address, and the port numbers. I'm gonna change this localhost to 172.30.0.3, which is my server IP address. Now I'll go ahead and export it. And there you go. I didn't need to specify anything else. Even if we check the server, it should be here. There you go. Anyway, it doesn't do anything, so it doesn't matter what we see here. So what this .inmanta file basically does for us is overriding the settings that we are having in opt inmanta.cfg file, and makes it local to each directory and each project. Anyway, I hope this video was informative and thank you for watching. Bye.